silly.
I actually like hate fencing without blocks now.
I'm reading them, but Nelson and Sam. Yep. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Or you can have a foil and you can
Josh, just to confirm, I'm looking for points on league.
Yes. Should we look for points on blue?
I will do that if I can.
If you get at any point you don't want to do this anymore, tell me. I
happy to
can
do
find
this.
someone else.
It's a pretty nifty sword holding.
It is.
Where'd you get it from? No, you have a company. Oh yeah. Sword frog. My son made it. You missed the answer. Yeah. My son made my sword frog magnetic. It will embarrass your son. This shrinking like 40 by the top.
Go. Table, are you ready? Yeah. Judges, are you ready? Neck goes. Ready? About a 250 in 4 minutes. Next one third. Next ready. Hold up. Hey! Oh! Attack, carry, riposte is good. Hit to the body. 2 points. Red. Fence is ready. Fence!
Come on, Lee.
Hold. Initial no. Second action. Yes. Initial parry riposte. Blow. After blow. 2 points. Blue. After 1. Fence is ready.
No, sorry, that was hit on me first.
No shorty initial.
Yes, hit me first. Initial thing.
Center has nominated the call. Please move along. In that case, blow after blow. 3 points red after 1. Fence is ready. Fence.
Come on, Lee.
Hold. Attacks together. Head. Chest. 3 points red. 2 points blue. Fence is ready. Fence. blue. Fence is ready. Fence.
Give it up, Lee.
Hold. Tap together. Left. Head. 3 points red. 2 points blue. Fence is ready.
Ready.
Fence. Hold. I'm going to call that. Yeah. Thrust the body from red after blow from blue. 3 points red after 1. Fence is ready?
Ready.
Fence. Hold. Attack, carry, riposte, hits, then release. Blow after blow. Tap the body, 2 points red after 1. Ready?
Ready.
Fence.
Bring it
Come on,
up.
Lee.
Bring it up.
Hold. Through, I would say body, yeah. 2 points, blue, response, no.
30 seconds.
Fence, no, we're
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Fence is ready.
Ready.
Fence. Hold. Thrust through, response, no. 3 points, red. Fence is ready.
Ready.
Fence. Hold. I'm going to call this up. 2 points, blue. Fence is ready.
Ready.
Fence. Oh. On the arm? I feel late. I think late at the top of the arm cap. On the end, as you came in? Tight arm, yeah. Attack together. Attack together, 2 points each. Fence is ready?
Ready.
Fence.
Let's go, Lee.
30 seconds.
Hold. That is honestly half day. Yeah.
No, that definitely.
That
Absolutely.
Fence has nominated. In which case?
I have no confidence what happens.
I have no confidence. Time off.
I definitely got hit in the face.
As you came in, arm head. Very well. I will watch the this one. Attacks together. 3 points red, 2 points blue.
Red, 2 blue.
Time on. It's ready. Fence. Hold. Thrust through. That is an afterblow. Final change was 3 points blue after 1. Bout. Red.
Which side do I go on?
I don't know.
No, right.
Next out. Nelson.
Sam, you're ready.
Blue. Sam. Red. Okay. Judges ready. Ready. Judges ready. Fence is ready. On go. like it landed flat from the blue side. Hit to mark. 3 points. Red. Fence is ready. Fence. Hold. Beat, hit to chase. Would you say that went for us? I think that was a count. Yes, that was a count. 2 points, blue. Vince is ready. Vince! Oh! Attack, parry, remise, good. Hit, front, no. 2, 3 points. 3 points, red. Vince is ready. Vince! Hold! Attack together. Hit to mark. Off the body. 3 points each. Vince is ready. Vince! Hold. To mark. Do you think that cut over or was it blocked? I'm a little unsure on that one.
Thank you.
Is that your initial or no?
It was.
Follow up. Act together. 3 points red. 2 points blue. Vince is ready? Vince! Hold. Attack the arm. That was very tipping. I'm going to discount that corner. 2 points blue. Vince ready? Vince! Hold. Cut through onto the mark. No response. 3 points blue. Vince is ready? Vince! Hold.
I can see it.
There was a cut to mark in there. Looked like a second or third action. Nothing. Was it within the window for an afterglow or not? I'll go with my judge. 3 points, blue.
Sorry, Sam, did I get you?
I have no idea what happened to the home team.
I don't have any idea either. No, it's okay.
You guys know what happened to the
Finish ready. Finish. Hold. Attacks together. Into the head, into the body. 3 points red, 2 points blue. Vince is ready? Vince! Hold. Hits the head, no response. 3 points, blue. Vince is ready? Vince! Hold. Hits arm on entry. Off the body. Hits the body on entry. 2 points. Blue. Match. Blue.
That could have been something, sorry.
I just can't believe on this play.
Semi-final match. Nelson versus Will.
Immediate, or you give me a break?
Judges, ready? Table, are you ready? Ready. Fencers, on guard. Ready. Fence! Hold. Did the thrust on initial land? No. Yeah.
That was what?
Attack together. Attack together. 3 points blue, 2 points red. Ready? Fence. Hold. Attacks together. Cuts the body. 2 points each. Okay, you're doing it. So, thrust the body. Cut the body. 3 points blue. 2 points red. Fence is ready? Fence. Oh! Say the arm hit was the initial or the second? Second.
Come to this area.
I didn't have the good angle. I saw the final cut to the head.
Last things that actually landed, when they cut to the body, they will cut to the head.
Yeah, very well. 2 points blue after 1. Fence is ready? Fence! What? Hold. Attacks together. Thrust. Cut. Underfoot. Cut and thrust. 3 points each. Fence is ready? Fence! Hold. Cut to body. 2 points. Blue. Fence is ready? Fence. Hold. Attacks together. Both hits to the... You're saying mask, you're saying... But anyway, 3 points each. Fence is ready? Fence. Hold. Initial no, attack after to hands. 2 points. Blue. Hold.
Mask could have, I had a bad angle on this side.
On the second, so there was a thrust in, then there was a response to that hit.
I don't know if they call it.
Then I'm going to call that as a blow after blow, 3 points after 1. 3 points red after 1.
3 points red after 1.
Fence is ready? Fence. Hold. Hit body after. 2 points red after 1.
2 red after 1.
Fence is ready? Fence. Hold. Thrust the body, hit the mark. Attach together, 3 points each. Fence is ready? Fence. Hold. Hit the arm on initial, would you say quality? Yes. Flow, flow. 2 points red after 1. Fence is ready? Fence.
Let's get it.
Hold. You didn't see? Pause time. So what I saw was an initial in, block, cut around, back and forward, build around that one, and then I put something on the back across the other and didn't say.
Yeah.
You have a bit of, I had total blindness on my side, I sometimes. I'm going to do this as I saw it, which I'm going to hit a archer blow. 3 3 points red after 1. Fence is ready?
Ready.
Time restart. Fence. Hold. Thrust through, no response. 3 points blue. That's time, bounce, blue.